Nigeria now one of the most important countries for the world, and perhaps the most important for the continent of Africa. Not be me talk. Now the President of the United States of America, Oga Presido Barack Obama, now he carry him out. Talk this one. When Niger Presido, Oga Muhammadu Buhari, go visit him and then do meeting inside the Oval Office for White House. My name na Ezugo Chokwode, and this na as in the heart.
Good morning, our viewers. Welcome to Tuesday's edition of that Obonga program, that political program with the sunshine with different political affairs we have for our Obodo Nigeria. Yes, and Chukudi don't do it. He don't give now the quote of waiting the President of America talk. And we go enter into the main details. We could also do it. We could dissect, break down the main conversation will take place between the President of America, Obama, and our own President, Oga Muhammadu Buhari. My name never still change. My name na Uncle and this na us. It is hot.
Based on the way the introduction don't go, we na go know say what will they discuss? Now the most important issue for Nigeria today, because our Oga President carrying 2 legs with his delegation go visit the #1 citizen of the world, President Barack Obama of the United States of America. To follow us lick mouth on top of this matter, now Ogbonge visitor. Our people they talk say, if pastor come your house, you don't need to introduce them to your neighbors, because when he start with opening prayer, everybody go know in profession. Our guest now person when we say he sabi politic matter where and he know they fear to talk am. He know they talk am since, and today he go chook mouth on top of the matter. We get Oga Nelson Ekujimi with us inside studio. I don't know whether I get that
no, you know pronounce my father's name well because that one I be my brand.
Now your brand.
My papa name na Ekujimi.
Ekujimi.
Yes.
Ekujimi.
Ekujimi.
Yes, Ekujimi. Yes.
And we go shake your hand because when we start as the
I go shake you too.
Go come be like say we dey
Abi, na so.
So make we just break the matter down now. Quickly, our Presido go visit the President of the United States of America, Barack Obama. And this visit, they're very, very significant. Because if we check, the place when we say that they welcome special guests. If they carry you go the Blair House, it means that you be VIP visitor. And now they carry our President go. Even the flag of Nigeria, they fly above the Blair House. Everybody they see say, one Ogbonge visitor they inside there. And people talk say this visit, they're very, very important. Because make we no lie. Before President Chief Olusegun Obasanjo, he meets with the former President Bill Clinton, even for Abuja. Even Ogagulo Kebele Jonathan, he meets with President Barack Obama. But this time around, the thing they different. From the carpet when they put for airport, you go see the carpet is long and the color of the red. Now red when we say the thing they shine. All the soldiers when greet them, they stand at attention. And even when President Barack Obama they fall and talk, he bend down. So say he respect him well. For you now, wetin be the importance of this particular visit?
Thank you very much. You see, the importance of this visit, we say, it shows, say, the high, the high, where they take look Nigeria before, as people, country. People will be saying na drug they carry. People will be saying na Yahoo. People will be saying na corruption.
Exactly.
Collect collect money put for pocket and all that stuff. It means say they don't see the kind government where Nigeria get today, where all of us they call change. They don't see say this kind man where they lead them. Now man will be say when they look in past, in before.
In record.
This is say this one now Ogbonge man will be say if in talk say yes. That is why you go see say yesterday President Barack Obama of America, he been they talk say this now a man we get integrity.
He talk him.
He take him, not be me talk him.
He take him out.
Now Barack Obama talk him. He use him out talk him. Say this na man we get integrity. And you know say one thing we dey for this life. We say if you see somebody, if you see say na
bad manners. You shouldn't check someone's mobile like that.
Sorry. Declare war. Do it. And win Priya over.
Are you pregnant?
What?
Start off, but let me start off by saying just explaining what hepatitis is in the first place.
Hepatitis B virus. And because they look healthy, they can even spread the virus to other people.
And that's why it just keeps spreading.
7 days later.
Wow.
As long as the blood, yes, if it's not properly cleaned off, wiped off, taken care of.
Sterilized, probably.
You can still get to...
So you can... Silence is the best answer.
For beautiful people with red hats that look like cowboys.
And I find that difficult to believe, say, for Nigeria as an African, if you still don't think of, say, you won't kill yourself.
But we na fine girl.
Thank you. Oh, you did date BC. You know, great talk saying, you get my pregnancy. Hey, yeah, maybe you're never ready. Why you make me feel bad?
For latest yarns and tori from your Sempe programs, where they on top Wazobia TV, walk up enter Facebook, www.facebook.com/Wazobia TV.
I really felt good to see you happy. Saloni, did Ravi misbehave with you?
The fingerprints that we found on that weapon do not match your fingerprints at all.
Your husband impregnated her.
What?
He owns this house, not so?
Impossible.
What?
You silly boy. How dare you sneak out of this house for a party? At this little age of yours?
Hold it.
Let me get into repentance. I love you so much.
Hello, madam. I'm sorry. I didn't know you were around.
Mom and Daddy, we are sorry. We are greedy. Yes, we are selfish. Please forgive us, even if you scold us.
The Koko.
Early in the morning, on one of the busiest days of the week, the cock crows. Commuters make it to their various posts of hustle. For the showbiz team, it's a road trip with famous fashion koi Kinabuti. The Kinabuti team engages the trainees in a rather tasking exercise on pattern creation and fabric utility. Batik is a sensitive art that requires a lot of precision and skill. One mistake could give an altered result. Batik is one of the oldest forms of African fabric design, the art of which has been passed from generation to generation. This youth empowerment program is currently ensuring these youngsters master the tools of trade for profit and establishment. Do something today to change the world around you.
All right, we are in a workshop organized by Kinabuti in Orile, Gomo. This workshop has been organized by Kinabuti to train the less privileged one in Lagos State. Then for 50 days, after the training, Kinabuti empower the trainers, give them money to set up a business for themselves so that they will be able to have their daily living.
We started about over two years ago, and it's a beautiful community highlighted, and we feel that it's a good place to be, and so we do a lot of trainings, a lot of social activities.
The students are very happy for what we have been doing. They are doing well from the first day. They are doing well till now. All of them are doing. Even we are supposed to select just 10 out of the 15, but I thank God that they all do well. So we try to retain all of them because they are doing okay.
We decided to do a workshop in batik and tie-dye because this is an old tradition, it's a cultural heritage that we have in Nigeria.
Maybe in another year, if there is any other workshop coming up, being organized by Kinabuti, I'll be very happy if I'm invited. Then I'm ready to come and teach the students the way they would like.
We have decided to combine two different workshops. This one that is for batik and tie-dye, and the one that we're doing in the evening class for tailors. So here basically we're teaching them, teaching these youths from different communities all over how to print, how to do the batiks,
Now, still at City Halls, the Action Politic Discussion Show on top of the Chairman Television Station, Wazobia TV on Top Star Times Channel 195. Ezugu Chukwudi na my name. I get my brother Unkubi and our Ogbonge visitor, Oga Nelson. When they follow us, they chook mouth for on top of the matter when they discuss. So, Oga Nelson, make I carry the question come again because I know say you been in the flow that time. And it's good as we just stop the anointing so that you go take them again, come hit them. Now, our Presido don't go visit President Barack Obama. They don't talk. What will be the importance of this particular visit?
Like I talked before, the importance of this visit be say, it means say America and other countries don't they look Nigeria say these people they don't change. These people be better people. We will follow Waka. These people don't get leadership because one thing about this life is say if person don't get leadership, if you don't get character, if you say yes. And the next minute, they look and you don't talk, say no again. It means say your waka no straight. Your waka, they do like this. True. Color, color. True. And people know they like to do business with person where they do color, color in life. Even to marry wife, self. If you they toast woman, say you won't befriend them. If the woman doesn't say your leg, no straight, the woman not go agree you. Go run. So that's all life will be. So when they don't say Nigeria don't get the kind leadership, we say they know say this na person will get integrity. And integrity be say how in they do before. All in life. Say na this kind of person will be say if he say they go here, na there they go. If he say na waiting he want to be this, na waiting he go do. Now he make America come invite them. That is why you see say even for the first time for our history, Nigerian president never go America, made them stay for Blair House before. American president say make Nigerian president come stay there. So take Nigerian flag safe for the whole world to see say Nigeria of today, it don't change. It don't be like Nigeria of before. True. This Nigeria don't make them put the Nigerian flag there. It can't mean say all the things where Nigeria want follow American government talk. They're ready to hear them. Very true. Unlike before, where we say they look and say you these people, una we be so una no serious.
Organization. May I pick them up from where one of the point and response where you give. Shey you notice say they too early for America as a country to say Nigeria say they don't change from what them be before. Okay, we can also look at the last administration under Goodluck Jonathan. We know say yes, he meet at least he get some meeting with Obama at some point. Okay, the question comes to say when that insecurity are they trying to move? You understand? Because are they trying to pick up from one of the when that insecurity issue they on where they on so massively we say we go they plead, go they beg them say okay, may not come help us out. Where they know where I don't know the kind whether now get some certain demands where they want where we know probably feel meet up or not waiting. But with my question come, she notice say they too early for America to they see this government as government will be say yes, say these people go feel rub minds with them, get what we want, make the we also give them waiting they want from us.
It's not too early. Because
this is the government that is barely how many months?
Even make it be 1 month plus. Even make it be 2 days. The thing where they be say before our Presido, President Muhammadu Buhari, even
considering the fact say some of these people also surround Oga Muhammadu Buhari. Now also people will be part of the past government.
No worry about that one. You know, say our people they talk one thing. Say if head of fish rotten, the whole body go rotten. But if head of fish don't good, it's very difficult for the body to rotten. Before President Muhammadu Buhari even come out, what he make all of us where the Nigeria vote for him? We be say na him win the election. Because we see say this na a man we be say unlike the people who did there before. This na man will be saying, not be saying they perfect, and not be saying be magician, you know, be Professor Pella. But we not say this na a man will be say, if he talk say yes, now yes, we go meet him. And the most critical thing in life, in a way we say if person won't relate with anybody, now trust. The moment I don't talk, say, and the moment I say you no get trust, for you say if you say one thing, I no go meet her so. It go that very difficult for me to follow you relate. Because one thing I want to tell you, say, nobody will fall from heaven. Now for this life, then all of us. And we dey grow. And as we dey grow, we get friends, we get family. You get where we don't work. They don't look the man history. Say where the man don't work. Look in family. Look the people where they follow relate. At least even before he become head of state, you and me, we remember say the man go one war college for America. He get classmates now. If you even go school for 1 month, your classmate go fit talk say, that 1 month where we and this person dey for class, so if they give us assignments, before he go follow you talk, na in book he go first carry.
True.
So that kind of person, you go not say that kind of person, na serious person.
Okay, Organizing. May I also ask this question? Because in the course of their conversation, you get within Oga Obama talk. He talk say, look, say USA they ready to work with Nigeria as long as Nigeria, as long as Nigeria cooperate with them, as long as Nigeria accept, you understand, some certain they don't feel much come and talk like that. But if we also ask ourselves, waiting be that thing. The issue is. Waiting if you say could be the demands from America, because I not sincerely I don't accept say yes. So say America just won't come out and say they'll be world leader, come say yes, let us help Nigeria, they don't suffer too much, they don't face too much challenges, we will come help them resolve their issue. You understand? Waiting in between this line, we not say get some things where they
the thing where they no they difficult. The thing where they be said then they also say, oh boy, we go help you, but you go they accountable. True. Anything where you do, it must they open.
Now accountable will be the right stand to you.
Yes, accountability. If we say we won't help you, if you get any plan to do, you go show them. Not be say you go to pass on that table, you go to do kurukere. Kurukere thing not be straight thing.
Organizing, I make a. You be like Unkubi, I know where they come from. But make I also drop am. People they always talk say, or people they talk say nothing goes for nothing.
Yes.
Some people don't already talk am over. Say America go on collect something from Nigeria before they give us something, because not be today be the first time say we they ask them for help. Even
of course.
Even the former Presido, Oga Goodluck Ebele Jonathan, he even talk am say he ask them for help, but it can't be like say their way no straight. Now I go come bring this one in. Linda Thomas Greenfield, when be the Assistant Secretary of State of the United States of America for Africa, open her mouth, talk, and when she follow journalists, they talk for on top of internet, say, they go ask President Buhari, say, if we come to the issue of the LGBT community, that is all these people who say that they do 14 years things, they go ask and say, make him protect their rights. Make we come from that angle, say, if America talk, say,
one of the angles out of the numerous angles.
But we come from this one angle, say, if we want this thing, now we need them, make we give this thing. Even though we don't even talk about this 14 years old now, we just talk. If America won't collect something from us to give us something, you think, say, our Presido, he go fit put in 2 legs for ground, talk, say, we no go give una, waiting una want, if you no go benefit us.
Make I come put and clear for you, be see. If you go somebody's house, anything we tell you, you go here now.
That's true.
Don't forget, say, no, everything we they tell us, for our own country, we get law. Our constitution did there. And our Presido, when he win the election, when they swear, I mean, you know, say, he vow to implement the constitution. True. He go tell them, say,
every Presido vow. Now every Presido they vow.
This one, he vow. Every Presido, every Presido.
I don't see President we vow, we no join.
But we not say this one. If you remember, I want to call you again. President Obama himself talk him.
He used the man.
Say this man, a man will get integrity.
True.
But the past president also gets more integrity. At least the only problem.
I know you're for President Obama, man.
Oh, you don't.
I know you're. No, this one not be me talking. President Obama.
Okay.
I know you're for President Obama.
I like the way you carry this.
I know say go like that side. You personally go like that side.
No, not true now. Not true.
go like that side as they carry and come.
No, leave Shukudi. Now the person will talk. Make you direct your question to Obama.
See, make no stress on. Say he like that side.
Now what happen in the talk now? Make you talk like
this guy like fast.
Make you talk like
you don't see.
Now what
now only me they talk to on top of this show.
Don't you see?
Obama self, I beg.
Questions I don't ask you so far. Lie they there.
No, the question correct. But with the answer where we give you, lie they there.
I don't know. I go need to do my own research.
You don't see him.
Obama na talk am. Shebi na you self talk say you agree say Obama talk am. Abi you agree say Obama talk am, abi you no talk am.
I agree say Obama talk am, but somehow monkey hand. If you look at it, he goes feed the structure.
I make you bring the monkey hand where you did now.
Bring the monkey hand where they inside this. Bring
them out now because we no see him. He says now you will get I wait there for back. Okay. Make you bring the monkey hand.
Oga Nelson, make we come. Even when Oga Obama they talk, he mention go some kind things when we say he show say at least not be only bad thing they know Nigeria for. He been talk about some of the kind things when we say we don't do for our country. Show say we get great men. Yes. He talk about business. Say some of the best business people for this world na Nigerians. Yes. He even come mention say he get one tragedy. That is one bad thing wey cause problem for Africa. But we, the way we take pursue and come out for our country, under the leadership of Goodluck Ebele Jonathan.
We for even tell President Obama, say make him no forget, say one woman wey be say the salary wey she dey collect in a month, e no reach 12,000 naira. True. He see 12 million naira. He return am.
Under the leadership of Goodluck Ebele Jonathan.
Yes, that is to show you say even in Nigeria, no matter how they say we bad rich, we good people dey there.
Thank you very much.
All of us no bad.
Thank you very much.
Why they spy now?
Why I know the why?
Of course, because the thing when we do, they make her happy.
Why not talk and do it? They talk my own.
If they happy, when we do good thing.
Why they spy? They look me.
No, Oganese, wait, may I enter this guy?
No,
wait.
Oganese, hold on.
Oganese, hold on.
Say
no. The thing when they talk now, like.
No, but see, if I wish you know they here when with the number, we know as we take address a matter.
No, I know my own, you know your own.
Because of saying
I know my own, you know your own.
They try make me vex. Say in they talk something. He call the smile, call the look. You see, I not talk like that. They smile for. I just think they very formal about that. See, he do this one, he try for this one. They appraise us for this one. But then he go they put smile when we say.
His smile affect you.
It affect me.
Part of the good thing about Nigeria say with a smile. Then they smile for America.
Oga Nelson, this one where you don't talk, you don't finish.
Then they smile.
We go quickly go this break. When we come back, we'll continue our discussion as see the odds. You get lots of Oga Nelson there. I don't lift you up. I don't lift you.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch. Make sure sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.